What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is John Paul Investing. Today we are going to go over a stock that goes by the name of ENVB Biosciences, or stock ticker ENVB. This is a stock that was around sub $2 just a few days ago, but based on some price action and it going back above the 200 moving day average, if we go to CNN Money, they're actually predicting a low of $6 with a high of $7 in share price. So that is around a 200 to 300% gain in stock price. So I'm going to give you some details about this stock and what you might be able to do to take advantage of this run up in price if and when it happens. Now, before I go into the video, guys, make sure that you check out the links in the description. I'm releasing a free newsletter for anyone who wants to sign up. The whole point of this newsletter is to give you fruit for thought, hopefully prime you guys to become better investors in the long term, really thinking about wealth preservation and just overall becoming a better investor. You have to think about your future. So if that's something you're interested in, I highly recommend you guys sign up for that newsletter. I also like to sell options and collect time premium on my stocks and my cash in my portfolio. So if this is something you're also interested in, I highly recommend you guys check out the Patreon group in the link below the newsletter link. Anytime I place any new contracts within my portfolio, I will put it and update it here on the spreadsheet for everyone to see. And there's also a good chance that I'll move this onto YouTube and maybe close down my Patreon altogether. But if this is something you want access to now, I highly recommend you guys check out the Patreon link in the description. So if we look at the chart here on ENVB Biosciences, right now we're looking at a Heikin-Ashi chart. That's why it looks the way it does right now, but this is just for simplicity's sake so you guys could really see the trends kind of flipping back and forth. We breached through the 200 moving average. There's a lot of speculation that this is going to move up in price mainly because of this new filing they just released on the 13th of this month, or the 18th, I'm sorry. And this is a press release for their upcoming annual stockholder meeting on September the 14th. They're going to announce the closing of their acquisition of MagicMed, which is another cannabinoid-based therapeutic company. That MagicMed complements ENVB Biosciences business based on their cannabinoid-based therapeutic drugs for cancer patients who are suffering from therapies of cancer treatment. A lot of people are looking forward to this closing of the acquisition, but I do think this is more of a mechanical play, and there's just people like to put news behind whatever it is and use that as an excuse to move price. I don't necessarily think that this particular news is the reason why it is pumping. In my previous video, I mentioned that price likes to breach previous highs. Now, something I will also mention is that this chart that you're looking at here on TradingView does not account for stock splits. So right now at around $2.60, if we go to right now's price, it says $2.10, but in after hours it is around $2.60. This stock is essentially reaching new highs once it goes beyond $4.62. So once it goes beyond $4.62, we will be at that point where if price keeps pumping, it might go vertical. But I would say a safe price target for this stock, if you are looking to take a quick in and out play, is going to be around 100% gain, or close to 100% gain from where we are up to around $4.62. Once it goes beyond $4.62, then it is kind of price discovery mode. We don't know exactly how high it can go, but again, analysts are predicting around $6 to $7 at some point within the next 12 months. And we are looking at around 866,000 shares short. I would say it's maybe between here and 900,000 shares short today in September. This is out of around 21.5 million shares outstanding, so it's not entirely a lot of shares short, but there are shares short right now. So maybe there could be some kind of mini squeeze in the stock, but I'm leaning more on the steady move on the upside as opposed to the parabolic move on the upside, but we will see. Now, if you guys like to keep up with the speculative nature of these stocks, Stocktwits is an amazing place to just read what people are saying. Anything that's too over the top, exuberant claims, just take those with a grain of salt. Just based on market mechanics, though, I believe that this thing will possibly double in price, and then it might be time to look for new opportunities. Now, I did not open any position in ENVB Biosciences. I'm going to be watching it tomorrow to see how it plays out. I do think it might end up past $3 tomorrow, but I don't think it'll end up too far beyond $3 or so. Anyways, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to present these opportunities to you, and hopefully you guys are able to create your own thesis and decisions around any new positions that you make. If I do buy this stock though, I will let you guys know. And lastly, WeBull is offering up to 2 free stocks using the third link in the description. All you have to do is open an account with them and deposit $100 and you will get up to 2 free stocks absolutely free. Anyways, guys, that is it. If you want to stay up to date on stocks like ENVB or a stock that I talked about earlier today, BBIG, Jupiter Wellness, Acquisitive Therapeutics, and among others, make sure you guys go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel to get notified about these future videos. And don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified when I make videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.